support of the cut motion and oppose the demands. Survatik speaking on general administration, because the budget estimate for GAD for 25-26 stands at 17,499 lakhs. आणि इथून रेव्हेन्यू एक्सपेंडिचर आहा 14,500 लाख आणि कॅपिटल एक्सपेंडिचर आहा 3,000 lakhs. पर जोरी तर आम्ही हेजे बारीकशे examination केल्यार with the figures in the GAD, there seems to be a consistent pattern of inflation. मागीर sharp downwards revision कोता आणि a significant underutilization of the allocated fund. So because उदाहरण 2024 and budgeted amount allo 16,660 lakhs, while the actual expenditure was stood at about 9,983 lakhs. So the idea is that a large gap between the budgeted figure and the actual spending raises question today in this GAD department about budgetary realism, planning discipline, and department's absorptive capacity. So because a component under this head, under Council of Ministers, and as I estimate 2,335 lakhs ashillo, itun salaries, allowances of ministers and the staff alone account to 2,138 lakhs. Ek increase kala from 245 lakhs salary component to 305 lakhs. Other this hike should be justified by any performance-based metrics, any efficiency audit that the government has done. I believe there seems to be no justification. GAD ek inflated projection of 5,229 lakhs has been set up. And ya housan sadach ek debate jata about salaries and rent component. Itun 1,250 lakh have been questioned in the past on rentals. Rentals are because this is basically a drain to the state exchequer when the state-owned premises by the government are remaining underutilized. Anek proposal zo purchase of premises 1,000 lakhs and construction of a new administrative complex 1,000 lakhs. Ye doni coexist without any strategic clarity. So maga dista constructions including new secretariat building, anik a memorial, agile timeline, anik transparency. This is what is lacking. Mukhyamantri ne ejer amka clarification dije. 400 lakh has been allocated to the Goa Staff Selection Commission. Now, in spite of giving the 400 lakhs, you see the deliverables, the vacancies that are pending, the vacancy clearance rate, the examination calendar. These are not reflected anyway in this particular demand documents. Because 440 lakhs have been earmarked for hospitality and entertainment expenses. Aga dista ye event management sarkar ami swaraj munta and for events post facto approvals major this 440 lakhs has been earmarked. It's because a concern is the allocation of 200 lakhs towards the Uttarakhand Relief Fund. Other interstate solidarity is welcome. There is no doubt about it. But such transfers, Magadista, need or should be rooted to the formal resolutions of this assembly, especially as core administrative services are underfunded. It's because anek 100 lakh for expenditures of ministers, 200 lakh for Goa Human Resources Development Corporation. This is nothing but inflated office expenses without any productivity audit. Professional service component and telephone charges without outcome, without any metrics, no justifications absolutely in this particular things. Because Soiliar ya GAD department and it is become an event management department. So I urge the government ki je par tumi post facto government approval dipak sata anta bab Digambar bab ulela about Bulbul festival. I think this was also a post facto approval. It was also a post facto approval. Now next year if it is a permanent venue, na. They how sangan tuka. Poil kello to. Poil kello to. Speaker sir, I urge the government to basically, under these demands, rationalize their rentals पड़े हैं. Office spaces needs to be consolidated as it is a waste of spaces lying. आणि एक performance based budget framework ये खूप गरजेचे. Independent expenditure review या डिपार्टमेंटान जावपाक जाय, या डिपार्टमेंटान जायना. आता येता स्पीकर सर कमर्शियल टॅक्साचे. कमर्शियल टॅक्साचे if you see there is a reduction of almost 34% in the department's original budget allotment. Especially आज जेन्ना एक साइडीन सरकार म्हणटा की गोंयची इकॉनॉमी वाडटा, त्या वेळार एक compliance related challenges are intensifying. तुम्ही म्हणता जीएसटी सगळे वाढलेले आसा तर, आणि मुखेलमंत्री इज पार्ट ऑफ द जीएसटी काउन्सिल. आता जीएसटी जो रेव्हेन्यू आसा, this is attributed to CGST, SGST, IGST and compensation cess. Because however, if you look, the revenue growth today is not commensurate. When I say is not commensurate with the size of the gross state domestic product. Now, कित्याक म्हणटा स्पीकर सर? कित्याक जो SGST आणि GSTP ratio आसपाक जाय, today in the state of Goa is at a modest 1.6%. Well below the 2.5% level attained by other strong fiscal states. As because the discrepancy points to number one, revenue leakages, number two, to gaps in registration, and tisre, poor enforcement. आता गोयात 28,000 active state registered GSTs asa. Despite having over 60,000 businesses, only 28,000 have been registered, particularly in tourism, particularly in hospitality, alcohol, construction and transport logistics. And that's because any difference is the reported turnover and tax liability, especially in glaring sectors like in the casinos, in charter tourism, scrap metal trade and liquor wholesaling. Tengelo reported turnover and tax liability, if we look, there's a huge difference. It's because under invoicing ye खूप चलता departmentan, misclassification of goods ye कितो होता है under the concession tax rates आणि underhand practices आज या departmentan जाता. Speaker sir, Patradevi and Mole a check post, outdated physical verification system, completely outdated, no automated alert system for any suspicious consignment or route deviation, no system that is the current in the state of Goa. Ana e-way bill padha hai, tej violation jata. Input credit padha, tejo misuse jata. Nil filing by high turnover businesses. Ye sadharan zoritor to a tight keller, magar dista you'll get a lot of revenue. These are the main basics today. Because आज central government has flagged several cases, but the state government is silent. Department needs to urgently establish a GST intelligence and a data analytical cell. Yeah, GST and data analytical cell should be equipped with Aadhaar linked registration verification. खूप गरजेचं आहे. आज ज्या पद्धतीने एक AI based recognition for fake invoicing, जे fake invoicing जाता in the state of Goa, एका एक AI based pattern recognition. Today you can come to absolutely everything. It's because real time electricity and digital payments data ye link करपाक जाय, suspected fraud link करपाक. It's because and he, Chief Minister, right time, you are part of the GST Council, heading the country today. I feel that these registrations today, there's a high risk sector and this should be physically verified. GST registration with high risk sectors, double check them, physically verify them. It's because Zoritor ya department and check keller, inga shortage of staff asa, 450 sanctioned post asa, 110 inspectors are absent, 64 commercial tax officers are absent, underutilization of modernization funds. ये मुख्यमंत्री गाँव सांगपाक सोदता सुमार 150 लाख रुपया for office building, IT upgrades. This is missing. 50 lakhs towards Altino tax complex. This is yet to see any completion. Speaker sir, 500 lakhs for additional premises in other talukas. This is also pending. So if we see Speaker sir, एक server infrastructure and एक online filing system, this is basically severely delayed. How delay कित्याक म्हणता? With over 3,000 dealers today still submitting their manual returns. आज, if you look at this defeats the very purpose of simplified GST regime. Chief Minister heads the GST Council of the country. I think you need to bring in reforms. 3,000 लोग अजून submit करते हैं manual returns. तो क्या ये commercial tax है? Speaker sir, आता एक मुख्यमंत्री coming on the finance later, but GSTP ratio sometimes has crossed 33%. Ada SGST to GSTP ratio, if you can basically bring it to 2.2%, you should know this. Currently it is 1.6. 2.21 जरी तो ये revenue जरी तो तुई leakage सारखे जरी तो जाग्यार गायल्यार तुका जोड 100 कोटी रुपया will come, which can be used for public health, for debt servicing without introducing any sort of new taxes. So yes, सगळ्यात चोयल्यार म्हाका दिसता I demand कित्याक it is our right to demand from the concerned minister कि immediately जो restoration of this department गेल ते वर्सा तुगेले budgetary provision आले तेजे तू increase कर सगळे vacancy पण सध्या enforcement and audit wings पडे हाय ते 6 महिन्या भितर भर. Speaker sir, I was just looking to the commercial tax figures. And when I was looking into the figures, Janna post-pandemic 2021 to 22-23, the revenue increased from 4660 to 6978 in 2023. This is an increase of about 49.5%. Put 23-24 figures because there was a 705 drop from the previous years. 10.1% drop of 23-24 figures compared to 22-23. And that's because yes, or sagle jori to choilyar maga dista ye department focus jo aspak jay through commercial taxes clearly indicate that the department is not focused, absolutely not focused on the tax collection. Tourism department mantri munta ki tourism vadot asa, then if your tourism because the figures are basically increasing, we should be able to see that this is also boosting the state's economy. Today, because this should result in larger commercial tax revenues. If you look, because at the current pace, it is a case of tax evasion. It is a clear case of poor tax collection and departmental machinery. Because I demand that a quarterly performance of audits of revenue leakage controls to be tabled in this assembly. या पद्धतीन क्रॉस व्हेरिफिकेशन जावपाक जाय, ट्रेड लायसन्साचे, एक्साइज रेकॉर्डाचे, टुरिझम ऑक्युपन्सी डेटाचे, जीएसटी फायलिंग्साचे जे हाय रिस्क आज नॉन फिलर्स आहे. It is only then when a fully resourced and a data-driven field active commercial tax department can save Goa's fiscal future and म्हाका दिसता थोडे तरी आमकां हेजे रिलीफ मेळटलो लोकांक जो it is needed today the way the economy is bleeding. Speaker sir, आता skill development येता. Skill development चोयल्यार Speaker sir, department spending has been increased and the actual impact on employment, on income generation and sustainable livelihoods still remains unclear. And Speaker sir, Goa faces दोन चॅलेंज आहे गोंयकारांमध्ये. एक, uneducated youth population यांचे high aspiration. Sorry, an educated youth population with high aspiration. When we are 100% literate, मुख्यमंत्री म्हणता. दुसरे, a job market that is both limited. Speaker sir, आज जरी तो the state has not effectively leveraged जे पण centrally scheme आहे, प्रधानमंत्री कौशल विकास योजना, skill India mission, Goa state is much less. दुसरे, जे so called training center हे सरकार जे advertise करतात, खास करून they are inadequately monitored. They have outdated curriculum, and they do not ensure post-training placement or support. Speaker sir, yet amka maga dista ki entrepreneurship program in Goa continues to focus disproportionately. आज एक motivation भुरग्यांक दिवपाक local innovation, green industries, agri-based ventures, creative sectors or digital commerce, maga dista there is no motivation from the state government today. Speaker sir, G startup policy, now IT policy, EDC incentives, these have not penetrated deep to help je amke young going kar ha ek viable business risk yopak. They are not taking this particular because the schemes have not penetrated. Aaj because ja paddatin zaite number of students today, large number of students are passing out of ITIs, polytechnics, vocational institutes, but are unemployed due to lack of soft skills, due to lack of communication, and updated technical knowledge. Or sarko important thing that because जे private employers पडे हाय because they recruit korpak sote आज goich by due to this mismatched skill sets. याच लागून speaker sir एक comprehensive skill gap. Comprehensive skill gap mapping exercise district wise needs to be done. दूसरे जे multiple schemes आहे that are involved, जाव प्रधान मंत्री कौशल विकास योजना, स्ट्राइव, संकल्प, ये सगळे alongside ITI training, this basically is because enrollment happens, but low employment tracking. Employment as a tracking zanga. We see enrollment for these courses, but there's another private institution tenga vocational based courses hai. But figure placement kitle tenga there's another meta burgyan ejer lakshana. No mention of batch sizes. So मुख्यमंत्री बाब हे एक इम्पॉर्टंट माचे एक दोन चार शक्तिमान कितरे तो सगळे साइडी आयक तेशी 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 उलोयताय चोयताय आयकोताय सगळे ए टू झेड सार शक्तिमान जालो. बिकॉज ये डेटा पट दाखयला हेजेर that shows the number of batches. खास करून batches run and reported placed म्हणून दिला. On a batch size I maglole according to my answer. You have said reported placed. We have no clue on the numbers today. Speaker sir, reported placed arbitrary, sounds arbitrary. The reported place is not a confirmation, and this department is planning to basically hide facts. Aaj Chief Minister apprenticeship policy in the year 2023. There is no transparent report on how many Goans actually got these apprentice thing and kitle anga permanent role mere. तर हेजेर चोरी चोयल्यार म्हाका दिसता I demand की एक language friendly training module in the state of Goa. हितून fishery sector, heritage tourism, agriculture, waste management आणि elderly care. दुसरे ये सगळे जे proposal आहे जाव ITI, polytechnic with industries एका लाइव अप्रेंटिसशिप अग्रीमेंट जावपाक जाय. स्पीकर सर, एक मोबाईल ट्रेनिंग युनिट फॉर रिमोट एरियाज आणि हितून फिशर विलेजेस स्पेशली फॉर वुमन आणि स्कूल ड्रॉप आउट्स. दिस व्हॉट इज लॅकिंग इन दिस पर्टिक्युलर डिपार्टमेंट. एक स्किल इनोव्हेशन फंड खूप गरजेचें कित्याक जे भुरगे विथ प्रोटोटाइप्स स्पेशली दोज टू अड्रेस द सोशल आणि इकोलॉजिकल प्रॉब्लेम. स्पीकर सर, as I conclude on this skill development, म्हाका दिसता unless this skill development framework, ई framework border पळय relevant करपाक जाय, accountable करपाक जाय, एक innovative आसपाक जाय. It is only then our uneducated जे गोंयकार जे educated unemployed गोंयकार हा, they will continue to suffer if this department doesn't come with innovative things. Speaker sir, RDA उलयतना चड पॉइंट नाही, पण जी गोवा ग्राम समृद्धी योजना ही पळय हल्ली is cut by 47% compared to 24-25. This cut will basically hit infrastructural and panchayat level development. Self-help group जे location assistant आले is dropped by 90% for the year 24-25. Allotment is slashed from 10 crores to 1 crore. एक साइडी म्हणटाय आमी की नारी शक्ती मो आतां हे सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुपा हे कित्याक हे बजेट डाकरोटी आसलो ते 1 कोटीचे स्लॅश केला मुखेलमंत्रीन आमकां हे सांगपाक जाय बिकॉज जे आरडीए स्कीम आहे प्रधानमंत्री आवास योजना पीएमजीएसवाय रूरल रोड्स डीडीयू जीकेवाय स्किल ट्रेनिंग MKSP, women farmers, ये फक्त पेपराचे आहे. What is the allocation and how many schemes people have taken? Because आता फायनान्साची आता जेन्ना आज हांव सदांच म्हणटा रीण काडप म्हणटा ते एक रोग मुखेलमंत्री म्हणटा आपूण आपणागेर लिमीट आहा आजूय तेच सांगतो तो वाचतलो FRBM एक्टा प्रमाण आनी 3-4 हजार कोटी रुपया आपणाक जाय जाल्यार घेवपाक जाताय पूण ते रीण तो दोतोर हांव सदांच सांगता अरे हे रोग आहा ते मातशे मार सुई एंटीबायोटीक दी ऑपरेशन कर कितें तरी कर तो म्हणटा ना म्हाका उतर दिलो तेणें गेले त्या वर्सा आपूण ते रीण आनी मुखार काडपाना म्हणून चोयल्यास बिकॉज इफ यू सी वॉट इज युअर रोड मॅप टू बेसिकली आमचे हे डेट पडे आहा हे रिड्यूस करपाक आन्सर कॅनॉट बी भिवपाची गरज ना भिवपाक गरज आहा हे वाडोवता आहा जे काँग्रेसाच्या वेळार 500 हजार आशिल्ले आज खंय पावला कितले हजार कोटीचे पावला कित्याक हे वाडला बिकॉज सगळें तुवें केलें न्हू आनी तुज भायल्यान कोणान कितें केला कांय केलें ना तेन्ना काडलें तें आमीच फारीक केलो बिकॉज इंटरेस्ट पेमेंट जरी तो चोयलो इंटरेस्ट पेमेंट्स हॅव ग्रोन एट 14.1% in the last 3 years. If you look at the figures, Speaker sir, that was 205,762 lakhs in 2023-24 has gone to 234,760 in 25-26. म्हणजे ही policy flexibility is shrinking. आता जरी तो revenue disbursement चोयल्यार of the government, आज interest payment वयता 11.6%, pension वयता 12.8%, salary वयता 17%, total what you are committed is 41.7%. आणि fixed grant administrative expenses जरी तर चोयल्यार 15 ते 20%. Speaker sir, revenue साइडाचे जरी तर चोयल्यार तुका फक्त 35% ते 40% flexibility मेळटा. आणि जे तुये capital outlay ले केल्या ये capital outlay into 786,264 borrowed portion is 528,752. These are the figures, which means 67% of capital spending is for debt financing. Anik, this is something that is fueling the current infrastructure, but locking the future budgets into repayments. Because last trends here, budget versus reality. Always in the last 4-5 budgets presented by the Honorable Chief Minister, only 80%, 75 to 80% gets spent. Even this year we expect the same. Others because sir, policeचे रहता, होमाचे रहता. पहिले सुवातेर जे म्हाका दिसता कसिनोचे GST चे रिकवरी, खास करून I believe that will come to some 10-12,000 crores. Whether Chief Minister is aware of it, pending dues that are receivable by the department. तिसरे खास करून मुद्दो इलिगल गॅमलिंग ज्या पद्धतीन सगळे जाग्यार जे पट चलतात तुगे जाग्यार आनी एक दुसरे तुवें सारकें बंद केलें आमी कुंकोळे ते बंद केला तेका हांव दिव बंद करून हांव ते पुरवान दिवपा न्ही थिंगा ते मोदे तुगे हांगा स्टार्ट जाल्ले तुवें बंद केलें हय तुका वालोर आतां स्पिकर सर तुका होम पोर्टफोलियो मेळटा काय म्हणून 8 तारखेक हाडल्या होम पोर्टफोलियो मेळटा काय म्हणून तूं ना केल न्हू ती बंद स्पिकर जाता आख्खो बंद उडयला स्पिकर सर आज जे पुलिसाचेर येतना इफ आय वॉन्ट टू पॉइंट आउट ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर दिस इज समथिंग that I've studied and come and we, as legislators we have to also point out the fault in the police department. आता जे तुझे revenue expenditure total under this demand was 1,100 crores. 1,057 went towards your revenue expenditure. What you are left with is only 42.5 crores. 42.5 crores kidak salaries and allowances if you look in the department consume over 820 crores. आता आणि एक डे टू डे कॉस्टाक अबाउट 190 crores. उलटे फक्त 4%. 4% for technology, 4% for mobility, 4% for intelligence, and 4% for community outreach आणि welfare of the people. आता पुलिसामध्ये आज लोकांमध्ये जो एक कॉन्फिडन्स असतालो गोवा पुलिसामध्ये ते म्हाका दिसता हुंय ना हुंय इरोड जालेले आसा ड्यू टू रूड बिहेवियर स्पेशली टुवर्ड्स वुमन सिनियर सिटीजन डेलिबरेटली डिलेज इन रजिस्टरिंग FIRs declining आज नाइट पेट्रोलिंग unchecked crime theft for in the markets illegal activities like rave parties sex trade gambling dens flourishing today under the protection. There is even a growing illegal colony above Arambol Sweetwater Lake. ये मुख्यमंत्री हांव एक प्लेस कोतलो एक पर्टिक्युलर पार्टी जावपाक 15-19 ऑलरेडी एडवर्टायझिंग जालें कॉमर्स हितून फुल ड्रग्स आसा ही पार्टीन 4-5 दीस फुल ड्रग्स आणि ड्रग्सा भायर काय ना एडवर्टायझमेंटाचेरूच सगळे ड्रग्स दाखयले आणि ही पार्टी म्हाका दिसता मुख्यमंत्री तुवें होम मिनिस्टर आमकां मातशें बरोवन घे इतलो उगडास येता तुका इतलो सगळें बरें नासतना आन्सर दितलो हांव वाचतो तूं म्हाजें बरोवन घे बरें हें बंद कर ही पार्टी बंद कर स्पीकर सर गोवा टुडे इज सीन एज अ फेस इन थेफ्ट रॉबरीज डेकॉयटीज सेक्शुअल असॉल्ट्स crime against children and women citizen भुरग्यांक रेप कोते दाखले भुरग्यांक मायनर सिनियर सिटीजन पयर एकले 80-year-old बायलेक रेप केली ये एक जेन्ना एक वस्तू गोंयांत जातले इतलो व्हडलो बोवाड जातलो अरे रेप जाली मार डेली रेप डेली मर्डर डेली डेकॉयटी हे गोंयचे नांव पाड जावपाचे कारण म्हाका दिसता बिकॉज ऑफ द फेलिंग लॉ एंड ऑर्डर सिच्युएशन इफ यू लुक एट द फिगर्स फ्रॉम 2018 to 2022 नए फिगराचे येता as per NCRB data 339 rapes 356 kidnappings 2688 thefts this is for 5 years आता इंटरनॅशनल क्रिमिनल इन्फिल्ट्रेशन हिंगा टेररिस्ट एक्टिविटीज जावपाचो प्रयत्न जालो केन्ना गोंयांत जायनासलो टेररिस्ट एक्टिविटीज मध्ये एक बॉम्ब जेन्ना मडगांवच्या गांवांत एक बॉम्ब ब्लास्ट जाल्लो बारीकसो तेन्ना व्हडलो बोवाड जाल्लो पण आज जरी तर आमी चोयल्यार हे NCRB डेटा शोज फॉरेन नॅशनल्स 187 हे क्राइम केलेले आसा रशियन नायजेरियन्स ड्रग केसीस जे होको 2 वर्सां डेटा दिता 23 आहले 140 24 जाले 162 टिल नाव 88 असॉल्ट केसीस 23 आहले 287 24 जाले 277 टिल नाव 107 मर्डर 23 जाले 24 जाले 30 अंत पासून जाले 17 स्पीकर सर रेप 23 आहलो 97 24 जाल्यो 112 टिल नाव 67 रॉबरीज हेय 23 आणि 24 वाडत आसा स्पीकर सर डेकॉयटी जे 23 0 आशिल्ली 24 3 जाले मॉलेस्टेशन 23 आहले 106 24 जाले 129 आणि आज जाले 53 सायबर क्राइम 79 आशिल्ले 83 जाले टिल नाव इट इज 73 म्हणजे आनी कितले म्हयने उरले आता आमकां ओरोस काबार जावपाक सो सायबर क्राइम इज ऑन अ रायज एट अनदर लेवल हे सगळे चोयल्यार स्पीकर गोंयची डिटेक्शन रेट पळया ही हाय उत्ता बट कन्विक्शन्स आर लो कित्याक जो 2096 IPC केसीस रजिस्टर्ड जाल्यो 250 convictions, one of the worst in the country. आज म्हाका दिसता हे हेजो परिणाम टुरिझमाचे जाता भुरग्यांचे जाता सिनियर सिटीजनाचे जाता सायबर फ्रॉड पुढच्या दिसाक एक पंजाब यूथ एका 18 लाख आमच्या एक गोंयकाराक डिफ्रॉड केले गोवा रेजिडेंट गोवा टुडे इज बिकमिंग अ हॉटस्पॉट फॉर they are exploiting tourism. First is to use education. Goa University पहिले येताले under the pretext of education. पण आता they are using tourism across for narcotics, assault, theft and fraud. Speaker sir, ज्या January 2025 तेलंगणा एंटी नार्कोटिक्स ब्युरो एक गोवा बेस्ड ड्रग नेटवर्क Nigerian based syndicate operating from Anjuna to Siole mu सांगले Parra based supplier working for Hyderabad clients आणि त्याच पद्धतीने ह्युमन ट्रॅफिकिंग, रनिंग इलिसिट एस्कॉट ऑपरेशन हे मांद्रे हे सगळे स्पीकरचा रिकॉर्ड आहा. आज मान्य मुख्यमंत्री हांव तुका आनी एक स्पेसिफिक विचारपाक सोदता. बजेट स्पीचीन 150 कोटी रुपया तुवें सांगिल्ला फॉर वर्थ ऑफ पुलीस स्टेशन कंस्ट्रक्शन, पुलीस हेडक्वार्टर्स 45 crores, Tirakot outpost 52 crores, Fatorda police station 12 crores. However, the annual financial statement put together, your police capital outlay is showing only 42 crores, whereas you have announced 150 crores. So, there is a justification kide. And to amka सांगपाक जाय. Speaker sir, आता एक important issue है सो कि मुख्यमंत्रीन एक घोषणा केली 16 एप्रिलाक 16th एप्रिल मुख्यमंत्री हो फोटो घेवन तुगे मागीर तूं नाम उडपान तुका चान्स ना हो तुगेलो फोटो मातशे केस मातशे आनी बारीक आहाय मातशे वाडले तुगे सेशन लांब जाना हो फोटो तुगेलो ह्या 16 एप्रिलान तुवें कितें सांगलें 43 क्रोजाचे पडे कोकेन सीज केल्ले हे खंयच्यान येयले म्हूण सांगलो तुवें थायलँडच्यान सारकें यू आर ऑन रिकॉर्ड यू सेड इट केम फ्रॉम थायलँड करेक्ट न्हू करेक्ट न्हू आतां तो प्रश्न हांवें घालो डिपार्टमेंटान प्रश्न हांवें घातलो की whether the police have confirmed the source of drugs which were brought into the state, whether the police have arrested the kingpin of the drug cartel. Tugelo department amka answer dita. The case is under investigation and the efforts are being made to trace the kingpin of the drug cartel and the source from where the consignment was originated. So tu amka sangta Thailandchan yela. आता पुलिसांक ते तुवें सांगिल्लें ना ते थायलँडच्यान येयले म्हणून. Chief Minister Bab, department is saying they don't know that it came from Thailand. So based on what you said that it has come from Thailand, your department answer is on 22nd July. So you are saying it came from Thailand, whereas the department is still searching the source. You said you would write to the Home Minister. Also there is a statement. I further asked whether any communication has been sent to Home Ministry. The answer is no letter has been written by Goa Police to Union Home Ministry. Yeah, Zoritor Thular Makadista, Anda Tuka Philippines are award as one of the most influential person. I don't know whether you are connected to the king in Thailand. Tunga Thailand gelna thya mak 100% mak now sangpal sutta. So tukte Thailand eno kitku kole tukle nile. Tu statement kelo. 16 April Thailand san drugs ile. Department मोठा कांयच खबर ना खंयच्यान येयले ते. सो हेजेर म्हाका दिसता खास करून तुवें आमकां आन्सर दिवपाक जाय. What was that you had that the department or whether you didn't share this information to the department. So Speaker sir, ये police department आता इतले वर्सां जाली seems to be suffering into it is turned into a chronic system. But we cannot blame the police because if you look at the budget figures, एक रिफॉर्म हाडपाक थिंगा स्पीकर तांकां स्कोप ना आनी मान्य मुखेलमंत्री म्हाका दिसता यू आर बीइंग द होम मिनिस्टर तुवें तांकां हे रिफॉर्म हाडपाक ज्या पद्दतीन आय हॅव फ्यू पॉयंट्स टू मेक फ्यू सजेशन्स एक you need to create an online e-FIR portal and zero FIR portal with auto acknowledgement. I demand an tracking system. This is lacking in Goa Police. This will cost you hardly 10 crores rupees. Speaker sir, एक खूप गरजेचे बाब दिगंबर कामत मोठा एक आपणा रॉबर्ट वॅन दिमो म्हाका दिसता you need to procure about 80 GPS enabled petrol vehicles, 2 per station. Itun embedded with night petrol grid. This is necessary and link this to the state control room. And खूप गरजेचे. This will cost you 25 crores rupees. Speaker sir, with the tourism minister, you need to upgrade the tourist police cell. I demand that you convert this coastal and tourist crime control unit. Itle crime thinga jata. You need about 300 officers today. Shortage are narcotic scanners, body cams. Ye tugele ek budget of 20 crores if you keep this is possible. Speaker sir, ek anti-trafficking and ek cyber-wise task force. I demand to hunt the escort services. Ami jenna complain kelli about escort services, your DG was prompt to act. But now that has started again. That time, Lakshmikant Parsekar was on record that these services operate from outside the country also. So what is that the mechanism that the police have today. एक coordinate digital takedown, run undercover operations. This is what is required, Speaker sir, in the police department. Speaker sir, I demand कि एक police training school an पढ़ जाता, they need to be trained with courses in gender sensitivity. Very important. Empathy, cyber law. These people are in communication. The people who are doing this link, their courses need to credit into their promotion. खूप गरजेचे because आज ज्या पद्धतीन tourism वाढता, ज्या पद्धतीन पोलिसांमध्ये घुसखोर चालला, we need to seed a criminal asset reclamation fund. This fund, rave structures, illegal gambling dens, encroach land, the power needs to be given, and this criminal asset reclamation fund, within 5 crore rupees, gives the powers to the police. Speaker sir, the police needs to get reformed. I don't know how. The Mukhya Mantri says that cases वाढला मग awareness create केला. मला खबर ना केसली awareness create केला. लोक भियेत आहे. आज he says awareness वाढला मग cases वाढले. This is not true. This is bizarre. Speaker sir, real time police performance dashboard. या dashboardan petrol kilometers, FIR count, response times, and narcotic seizures. ये माका दिसता it should be in public domain. People will then start trusting the Goa police. Because a performance linked incentive for the police, for the constables, for the sub-inspectors, jenna they try to just respond, they speed, complaint handling, and citizen feedback. Link all this, and a quarterly performance link has to be published and introduced. Because आज command and control within the police, we need to build a system. Especially because आमचे coastal area with urban hotspots, drone feeds, CCTV analysis, and SOS routing. This is something that is required. Most of the tourism states in the country have this basic protocol. You cannot blame the police when they have nothing at all. My sagle police are blame koda, including us. But speakers of Magadista, ek खूप गरजेचे एक forensic van, या forensic vanan DNA swabs, digital imaging, crime scene मध्ये 30 मिनिटांमध्ये पावपा जाय, पाव नाही, missing. Because forensic science lab पड सध्या तिथून एक dedicated cyber lab, एक DNA sequencer, toxicology wing. This is what is missing, and within about 20 crores these things can be done. Speaker sir, senior citizen जायचे आमचे बरे येले की तिंगा एक safety cell ना, periodic म्हाका दिसता एक आनी बायलांक help desk ना. All police stations need to be basically train the female constables for presence of a counselor as well. This is mandatory. आज when we have IIT, आज when we have Goa University, I believe that you need to partner with them, run a crime data analytic fellowship. Goa has to run with the amount of crimes that are increasing. Intun and try and generate hotspot maps. Crime hui jata, hunche jagyanlan jata. Maga dista, these will give you a predictive models for crime. Why is the crime increasing? It is only when we put into things like this that the state Speaker sir maga dista crime deontoli. Aaj Speaker sir crowd management, disaster response drills for all field units. What happened at Devi Lairai? The police are equally responsible. It is not only the collector. It is a collective failure of the state. As per the NDMA guidelines, the police had to be present. There had to be drills. They had to, they natch tinga. Sarke surveillance kella, sarke CCTV camera kella, how could they PI suspend kella? This cannot be the model that this particular government follows. Because आज जरी तो चल्यार mental health counseling खूप गरजेचे. They are also stressed. ये mental health counseling for all the policies should be organized. ज्या पद्धतीने आज rave parties जातात, ज्या पद्धतीने night establishments like the casinos, हेंका स्पीकर एक युनिफाइड लायसन्सिंग ई-ट्रॅकिंग सिस्टम मेक शुअर दे आर देर. आता तुका सगळ्या खबर आहा जे आता खबर आहा का मोडको चलता चलना लिगल आहा तो लिगल आहा लिगल काय ना मग चलता मागीर इतले इलिगॅलिटीज चलता गोंयांत. बट देर हॅज टू बी अ पॉलिसी. म्हाका दिसता आज ज्या पद्दतीन ड्रग डिमांड रिडक्शन आउटरीच प्रोग्राम इस्कॉलांत कॉलेजींत रेप झोन कम्युनिटी मध्ये आणि तांकां मागीर कावन्सिलींग करपाची खूब खूब गरज आसा. हे चोयल्यार स्पीकर पुलिसाचे जेन्ना एंड कोता almost 1/5 of your budget towards these points that I have said will basically from Aj, it is a salary hiked police force. This salary hiked police force could turn into a modern, accountable and citizen centric service. Speaker sir, आता स्पोर्ट्स आणि यूथ अफेर्साचे उलयता. स्पीकर सर, स्पोर्ट्स आणि यूथ अफेर्साचे उलयतना आज there seems to be just a marginal increase in this particular portfolio. आणि गोंयाक एक rich sporting spirit आणि legacy आसा. But sports and we are completely underperforming due to systematic inefficiencies. जेन्ना नॅशनल गेम्स जाले त्या वेळार 2023 ह्या वर्साक 92 मेडल्स आसले, 27 गोल्ड मेडल जाले. बट जेन्ना पयच्या दिसाक नॅशनल गेम्स जाले त्या वेळार we came 27 with just 2. म्हाका दिसता की अनयुटिलायज्ड इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर आज आमच्या गोंयांत खास करून मुखेलमंत्री म्हणटा जायते स्टेडियम आसा. दुसरें प्लेग्राउंड आयडल रावता अनयुटिलायज्ड. म्हाका दिसता गव्हर्नमेंट हॅज टू कम आउट विथ एन इनोवेटिव्ह वे टू मेक शुअर that these are utilized. Yes, sports facilities for a productive outcome. Other speaker sir, Zorito Twiler infrastructure in Goa, sports infrastructure is deteriorating. Pede Sports Complex in Mapsa, Kelo India Center of Excellence आले. पण आता तिंगा तो पूल सारको चलना, फिल्टरेशन प्लांट तिंगा सारको चलना. SAG स्विमिंग पूल near Nehru Stadium, फ्लोरिंग सारखे ना, फिल्ट्रेशन सारखे ना, पुअर वॉटर क्वालिटी. तर हे कितें दाखोवन दिता की मिसयुटिलायज्ड इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर. मनोहर पर्रीकर स्टेडियम इन नावेली, श्यामा प्रसाद मुखर्जी स्टेडियम इन कुजिरा आणि एथलेटिक स्टेडियम इन बांबोली. हितून म्हाका दिसता स्पीकर सर वर्ल्ड क्लास फॅसिलिटीज आसले पण हुंय ना हुंय all these utilities today are compromised. These venues that have been used for non-sporting events, for the event and political rallies. Cabinet and Janna Shama Prasad Mukherjee Stadium, it has been decided to convert this into a private party under PPP for 10 years. Looks like the revenue comes first for this government rather than sports person goes for a toss. This is my charge. Other funding issues, CAG audit report, kitleshe maga dista misappropriation cases within the directors of sport and youth affairs and Kala. Some have not been resolved for the last 10 years. And department keslench ejer action gena. Speaker sir, Goa Olympics Association padeha, they have been criticized. And the kidak tenga criticized kela for they are underfunding the athletes, lack of directed coaching, anik 150 coaches under SAG. Despite that, swimming have no active coaches today in the state of Goa. Where we have Digambar Bab Kamath, who's now gone to the world level in swimming on the swimming board. But use his experience. Nothing is done in the form of swimming. Sarki udo, paupa bato tinga udo nas. Because I maga dista J National Games 2023. Itun 15 koti rupiya, 35 association act. And it is said that they failed to submit several audited accounts, bill, vouchers, utilization certificates. Eje Mukhil Mantri actually reality ki dide amka sanche. Cycling Association of Goa, Eje they are under scrutiny for submitting 14+ lakh of inflated bills. Anik residential training camp mudam. To camp tinga kenna zaunkuch nahlo. And tinga 14 lakh rupiya tenga dile. Because SAG emi 2 crore 60 lakh rupiya baseball field at Kampal. Oh my Uttar Meda field or baseball field Dutch, but the show must go on. J पेंडिंग डिस्बर्समेंट आहे आज मुखेलमंत्रीन सांगला 11 कोटी रुपया सुमार फुटबॉला दिवपाक आणि तो कायतान मोठाय तो मुखेलमंत्री गेलो फ्रेंड मुखेलमंत्रीन ते जिखोयना कायतानाक दुसरोय फ्रेंड आसलो त्या फ्रेंडान निदायलो या कायताना GFA प्रेसिडेंट केलो पण आज ताका पैसे दिना 11 कोटी रुपया फुटबॉलाक फुटबॉल स्टेट स्पोर्ट आणि त्याने युटिलायझेशन सर्टिफिकेट दिला म्हणून सांगले युटिलायझेशन सर्टिफिकेट सगळे दिले ऑक्टोबरा होणे हे पैसे फुटबॉलाक पावपाक जाय I agree with what Bab Digambar Kamath has said. Jenna GFDC चे एक बारीकसो मेळावो जालो. They said why football is coming down. Today you see at one time football was Goa and Calcutta. Today you see football in Bangalore, in mainly northeast. So what is the reason why football has degraded? Is it because of the introduction of GFDC as a parallel body to Goa Football Association? Into म्हाका दिसता खूप म्हाका दिसता हेजेर डिबेट करपाक जाता पण 11 कोटी रुपया मातशे तेंगे ते ताबडतोब दिवपाची गरज आसा. Speaker sir, looking at the way the sports department is functioning, I demand कि एक state sports excellence fund including nutrition, physiotherapy आणि training kits आणि traveler एक complete all pending projects like Dargar cricket stadium आता वो काब्राला गेलो फ्रेंड आता हे क्रिकेट स्टेडियम हांवें आयकिल्लें ते भाशेन बिचोली शिफ्ट करूं पावताय हो पर्टिक्युलर ग्राउंड पड आहा तो वी नीड टू मॉडर्नाइज एक्झिस्टिंग फॅसिलिटीज बांबोली दुलेर पेडे मुखेलमंत्रीगे लक्ष हुया आता मुखेलमंत्रीन बारीकशें हाय परफॉर्मन्स प्रोग्राम विथ व्हेन यू टाय अप विथ साय AIFF, AFI, कितले private partner आहे, but the government lacks the will. तालुका level, school grounds should be basically operational year round. एक ground आज जे केलं आहे, they are basically lying idle. Speaker sir, Khelo India initiative जे बघा दिसता 24/7 एक open access, maintenance of staff, LED lighting आणि security ही initiative आसपाक जायली in all the facilities. But हुई ना हुई सगळे कडेन चोयल्यार most of these facilities are lacking. Speaker sir, आज स्पोर्ट्साचे कोचिंग and referee certification एक support program. फुटबॉलाक आहा पण different streams for school children, for colleges, for PE teachers. This is something that is required and is the need of the hour. Speaker sir, now speaking on one of the most important failing systems in the state, that is prosecution. सारक टाइम आयला झाले आणि 2 वर हे करून तुझ्या हा टाइम थिंगाच
1 वर कितले वेळ उलयता
सोपं हे इम्पॉर्टंट
सोपं येता
सोपं ना इतले उला आनी बेगीन कोता आणि prosecution and Speaker sir, you have dropped the budget. Prosecution जो 1544 is the total provision, जो 1966 आशिल्लो आणि this Speaker sir shows कि जे एक progressive compression of resources today comes at a time when Goa's criminal justice system is under acute stress. Speaker sir, मुखेलमंत्री
प्रोसिक्युशन 20 स्क्वेअर मीटरान असलेले ऑफिस आता 200 स्क्वेअर मीटरान आसा.
200 स्क्वेअर मीटर हांव काय थिंक ऑन
तुका तेका लायब्ररी ट्रेनिंग रूम तेका प्रत्येकाक लॅपटॉप कितें दिवना ते विचार 20 स्क्वेअर मीटरान सगळे जाण बसताले सगळ्यात. आता तेका एकदा उचून पळय दाखयता
बरे आय चोयल तुगे व्हिडिओ चोयला
दाफय म्हणून
व्हिडिओ चोयला जेतान चलता तो चोयला थिंगा टाक्को पयर इनॉग्रेट केले ते चोयलाय नाही.
तू एकदा वचून यो.
स्पीकर सर हे प्रोग्रेसिव्ह जे पुलिस रिपोर्ट आज तुगेलो हाय डिटेक्शन रेट म्हणून तू सांगता पूण actual number in the convictions remains the lowest in the country, 19.8%. And why such yawning gap between the detection rate and a very slow conviction rate? It's because आमचे prosecutional system today is in the need of an urgent reform, not only giving them 200 square meters of land. It's because present demand जो एक केसलेंच विजन ना वयल्या बजेट उण केला या डिपार्टमेंटाक ये ट्रेंड रिवर्स जावपाक जाय. हे रिवर्स कितको जाल्ले स्पीकर सर? हेजे जोरी तर बजेट प्रोविजन चोयल्यार सॅलरी कंपोनंट नॉर्थ गोवाक हा 931 lakhs आणि दक्षिण गोंयाक हा 611 lakhs. Salary head पड़े हा if you look in the past were underspent in the past. आरके चेक कर. अदा स्पीकर सर जे under professional services या professional services that into role किती हा? Expert witnesses, hiring specialized counsel, enhancing courtroom advocacy. एका फक्त 170 लाख in 23-24 provide केलेले आसा. Actual utilization हे पण केल्ले तुवें 23-24 तेजेय utilization जालना. स्पीकर सर IT equipment, digital evidence आणि forensic consultancy remains to be negligible. 10 लाख रुपया provision केल्ले 23-24 for IT, 10 लाख रुपया for North Goa. आणि yet there is no indication today of any technological improvement in the system. Speaker sir, this is completely unacceptable today. कित्याक आज quality of electronic evidence, quality of electronic evidence आणि courtroom presentation जे पड जाता can make or break a case. Speaker sir, मुखेलमंत्री तू पड म्हणटालो एक 20 किलोमीटर 200 किलोमीटर तेका इन्क्रीज केला मो. ह्यो सो वस्तू म्हाका दिसता खूप गरजेचे तुगेले हे सक्सेसफुल प्रोसिक्यूशन जावपाक. नंबर 1, there has to be careful framing of charges. Charges सारखे frame जायने. Number 2, timely service of summons. ये सारखे time or service summon serve कोणे. Number 3, comprehensive examination of witnesses. ये सारखे जायना. चौथे, proper presentation of admissible proof. ये जायना. आणि strategic legal arguments. हे वस्तू जरी तर केल्या तुगेले हे प्रोसिक्यूशन पळय हा ती रेट वाडटली. 20 किलोमीटर जाल्यार 200 किलोमीटर वाडले म्हाका दिसता हे तर कितें बरें जातलें. पण तरी तर स्पीकर म्हाका दिसता there is no mention today of an institutional mechanism like an independent authority of Directorate of Prosecution with budgetary autonomy. खूप गरजेचें. एक annual training स्पीकर जे जावपाक जाय about the upskilling mandates for prosecutors. हे जायना. म्हाका दिसता हे प्रोग्रेसिव रिफॉर्म जे हांवें प्रपोज केले आज मुखेलमंत्री तेजेर लक्ष घालपाक जाय. मातशें तुगे मनशा सारकें सांग बारीकशें दुसऱ्या स्टेटीन they have got better rates because this is the failure that has been identified. You need to introduce a performance linked grant for high impact convictions. खूप गरजेचें. All this can ensure that detection only gets converted into successful conviction. आणि त्या वेळार justice will not only be delivered just in form but in substance. Speaker sir, आता इलेक्शन ऑफिसाचेर उलयता. इलेक्शन ऑफिसाचे आता while this demand pertains to expenditure of chief election officer and state election commissionaचे. म्हाका दिसता आज जेन्ना या 2 वर्सांनी एक इंटेन्सिव्ह इलेक्ट्रोल सायकल जातले. खास करून पहिले सुवाते जिल्हा परिषद इलेक्शन जातले, मागीर म्युनिसिपॅलिटी इलेक्शन जातले, मागीर कॉर्पोरेशना इलेक्शन जातले, मागीर आमगे इलेक्शन जातली, मागीर फक्त पंचायती इलेक्शन जातली. आता स्पीकर सर, despite of this demand fails to earmark any dedicated allocation towards the state election commission. Now why have you all not put any allocation towards capacity building? Since we are moving into a hectic election mode, electoral roll verification, public outreach, technical upgrades, Yamaga dista, particular, is it that the absence of this has been demarcated? Because sir, this omission basically is this institutional omission Magadista undermines the autonomy of this institute. Other structural gap जरी तो चला पयर पणजेच्या गावात बीएलओच्या नावान बोर्ड जाली. बीएलओ सगळे चेंज केले. माहिती स्टेट इलेक्शन कमिशन इंटरव्हीन एंड एवरीथिंग वाज चेंज. एल्ले आन कोणा काय मातशे ते वोटिंग मशीन घेवन कोदय तुम्ही आयको येता. रोलाचे मातशे कोणा काय हे वाडयना काय. स्पीकर सर, आज जे बोगस एंट्री जाता इलेक्ट्रल रोल्स पडे आहे. दिस स्पीकर सर म्हाका दिसता देयर इज नो मेन्शन ऑफ अ डेडिकेटेड व्हेरिफिकेशन एक्सरसाइज. or integration of Aadhaar linked protocols. आता वेबसाइटीचेर स्पीकर सर हे सगळे इंग्लिशीन आहा, ऑफिशियल लँग्वेज एक्टान कांयच ना. दुसरें पब्लिकेशन मटेरियल पळय आहा हेका कोंकणीन आनी मराठीन आसपाक जाय तें ना. तिसरें जे एड्युकेशन पॅम्फलेट जाताय, डिजिटल एनिमेशन जाताय, एनरोलमेंट ऑफ न्यू वोटर आहाय, हे सगळे म्हाका दिसता स्पीकर सर कोंकणीनूय जावपाक जाय, लोकल लँग्वेजी हे जायना आनी हे सोमून होण जावपाक जाय. आज स्पीकर सर जेन्ना आय वूड लायक टू आस्क दी ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर जे फिजिकल इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर आता previous years you saw the procurement of wheelchairs, water filters, fans, collapsible furniture and for election use, but what happens to that? They might gain, I got to know, same bab, yeah, equipment by kit kude to me, as kide inventory.
Association on dita.
Ada, speaker sir, maka dista ki ja पद्धतीन आज एक फेलियर जाला about posting election results also. This is booth wise data. This is very fragmented. When I say fragmented into PDFs, हे म्हाका दिसता हुई ना हुई डिपार्टमेंटान हेजेर लक्ष घालपाक जाय. आता प्रोसेस ऑफ डिलिमिटेशन एंड रिजर्वेशन आता हेजेर मुखेलमंत्रीन आमकां सांगपाक जाय. जिल्हा परिषदाचे तुम कोतले कॉमेस जाली एक्सरसाइज, म्युनिसिपॅलिटीचे तुम कोतले पयर जेन्ना तुम करपा प्रयत्न जालो कोर्टां गेले, कोर्टा वचोन मागीर कोर्टान दुसरेंच जालें. तर हे डिलिमिटेशन ऑफ वॉर्ड्स हे कोण कोतलो. आज या पद्धतीन जर चोयल्यार जायती क्लॅरिटी जाय आनी हांव मागता की मुखेलमंत्रीन तें दिची. आता कमिंग टू ट्रेजरी एंड अकाउंट्स एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, while this speaker sir remains on paper to be a steady expenditure profile, but हुई ना हुई जर चोयल्यार speaker sir, reality of the accounts department is that it is far removed from modern financial governance expectations. The state of Goa, speaker sir, इतून एक technology depth ना, public accountability चे it lacks. यहाँ किधर मोटा speaker sir, जे आज accounts department पढ़ा, as a role as state directorate of accounts, as district sub treasuries across the state, and it is the backbone today of financial operations. It handles pension payments, it handles salary disbursement, it handles accounting transactions, fund releases for every department. But there are a lot of shortcomings. Shortcomings because their accounts department and outdated workflow system is outdated. That is the first thing. Fragmented database. Number 3, slow reconciliation process. ये 3 main fault है account department. Other speaker sir, the entire system operates with delays. यहाँ तो कितना सांगता operates with delays. Daily and monthly reconciliation for report high they delays आते. Number 2, interdepartmental financial data is not seamlessly integrated. Number 3, जो budget control register पढ़ा, this remains manual or it remains semi-automated. ये change जाओ पाक जाए. Because sir, statewide deployment of real-time figures to monitor grants, expenditure, and एक scheme-wise fund flow. ये जाइना. मनोहर परिकराक एक सॉफ्टवेअर आसतालो. ते म्हाका खबर आहा तो सदां सकाळी घेवन बसून आसतालो. ते स्पीकर सर म्हाका दिसता ह्या वेळार मेन मुट्टे these flaws in the government. Basically तुमका एक credible fiscal insight आणि एक media correction करपाक. This is what is lacking. सारक मरे. Speaker sir, जे implementation of IFMS. आता ये IFMS पढ़े हा integrated financial management system. This is inconsistent. I charge. There is no indication if all the DDOs are on board. Do you have any indication? Speaker sir, number 2, mobile-based jet treasury module hai, they are deployed. If the system is upgraded to support this interface with banks, with the AG's office, this is lacking. तिसरा speaker sir, आज ज्या पद्धतीन लोकांचे हे पैसे ट्रान्सफर जात आहे, digital tracking today is unacceptable. Public pension disbursement, this speaker sir, म्हाका दिसता मुखेलमंत्री जे एक lifetime verification certificate module, कित्याक जायते जाणटेले they come to the accounts department. You should be the first to try to get this e-lifetime verification certificate module. This is something that other states have done. What is basically required because is the absence of quarterly performance reports by the Directorate of Accounts. Anik department is central to government accountability. You all need to have gold standards. I mean, there don't know the high speaker sir.
दोन वरा
चीफ मिनिस्टर रिप्लाय
रिप्लाय करपाक जाय तुझे ते देड वर जाले
स्पीकर सर आता तुवें 25 पोर्टफोलियो तू गेलो आज सिल्वर डे फाल्यां आनी 20 45
फाल्यां गोल्डन
5 हांवें केला सोमारा तू कितको करपा सोदीत चेंज करू थोडे टेलर बी येयले सूट बीट जॉक घेवपाक चुरले ते येयले मरे ब्लॅक सूट
घेवले जो
ते घेते मागीर गोल्डन डे जायत तांकां बेग बेगीन कोत जाल्यार स्पीकर सर there is no mention of the capacity building initiatives in an era of automation and AI. हे हुई ना हुई म्हाका दिसता जे fraud detection जावपाक जाय training दिवपाक जाय ती हे स्टाफाक continually it should be digitally upskilled. आज स्पीकर साहब एक डिपार्टमेंट टू बी अ ट्रू फायनान्शियल डिसिप्लिन हे उरपाक एक integrated and एक paperless. I demand a treasury management system. These are reforms. Honorable Chief Minister, माशे ये उलोइन मा गेल मुना इजे माशे लक्ष घाल तू मागीर. ये एक monthly digital report. You need to publish it on your expenditure and grant in it. Why is it not published? Number 3, जे तुगेले treasury systems आहे with citizen portals for tracking their subsidy, payments, refunds and reimbursements. Introduce a centralized grievance mechanism today because of for pensioners, for vendors and the beneficiaries. Ye reform zori tor alyaru maga dista je today it is sorry to say that the accounts department is functioning with outdated systems. Speaker sir, आता vigilance आचे उलयता. पहिले सुवातेर vigilance आचे उलयतना एक तुई मागा एक आन्सर दिवपाक जाय. जे हांवें पयर एक एलिगेशन केले अबाउट फ्रॉड विथ द बुनक्श प्लॅन्स ह्या विजिलन्स डिपार्टमेंट कित्याक घेन आशिल्लो इतलो टाइम why did they not act this happened in 2024 so why was this particular subject मातशे बुरेन हे माय इम्पॉर्टंट म्हाका आन्सर कित्याक हे जालें ना and what is the system पयर तुवें उतर दिलें बाबूश मोन्सरातूय हांगा what the बुनक्स चेंज केले तेजे इन्क्वायरी मागील तुगे सेक्रेटरी रिपोर्ट पावलो I think from vigilance has sent it to secretary. That is what one of my answers is.
Complaint withdraw केली मरते नी.
किती?
Complaint दिली ती withdraw केली.
कोण complaint withdraw केली?
कोण तो अलवारीज के कोण तरी. Vigilance तरी आम्ही inquiry करतले but कोण तरी तो अलवारीज के vigilance कोण रे तो? सांग अलवारीज दिसता तो काय कोण तरी.
अलवारीज हो?
होय.
Complaint कोणान complaint गायलो withdraw केली?
होय.
My complaint about
आम्ही inquiry करता. ते fixing केला तुम्ही.
How many now more than 6 months? अरे तुगे relation आको पासो push मारपा केलते मी तूच minister. I think गेल मोते
Please complete.
Question? ते ऐसा गेलो ना. Speaker sir, speaking on vigilance. आता जे this appears to be a modest allocation, whatever you have given. But because unfortunately, both Directorate of Vigilance and the Office of the Goa Lokayukta, both of them remain underutilized. Anik, I have also written an email to the Honorable Chief Minister. Ki Goa Lokayukta Office or Goa Lokayukta needs to be shortlisted fast. Today, it is underutilized, it is understaffed, it is structurally weak. Anik, Directorate of Vigilance because it is meant to function as a watchdog today against corruption. But in practice, it has become a post-retirement holding zone for senior officers. No independent authority. Absolutely no whistleblower protection framework. This whistleblower protection framework to adpa jai. Tenga kide incentive diupak jai. Mai kitlo case etlo. Speaker sir, there is minimal deterrent impact. Complaints for so many years, 5 or 6 complaints once received are either shelved or subject to endless internal inquiry. No outcome in the public domain. आज because of this publicly accessible case tracking system is what is lacking. cases are there, cases that are referred to vigilance departments or by Goa Lokayukta or through public interest complaints. आज entire system मध्ये end up in a procedural limbo. थिंगा गुंताय. Despite an example तू सांगोते पाशी vigilance आणि कोणान complaint दिली आणि ती withdraw केल म्हणतो. माहिती तुम्ही ऍक्शन घेवपा जाय तेजे सू मोठं त्या तेच पद्धतीन किती आणि दुसरो केस आहे
ऍक्शन घेता
सस्पेंड कर बिकॉज सर आज जो एक्झिस्टिंग फ्रेमवर्क हा प्रोएक्टिव्ह म्हाका दिसता एक वर्क ऑन आयडेंटिफाईंग पॅटर्न्स ऑफ करप्शन इरेग्युलरिटी जे प्रोक्युरमेंटान जाता टेंडर मॅन्युप्युलेशन जो जाता डिसप्रपोर्शनेट एसेट अक्युमुलेशन हेजेर म्हाका दिसता Goa Lokayukta has to play a major role. When will you appoint it? Public visibility today is absolutely zero of this symbolic institution. Instead of acting as an anti-corruption authority, I believe this government has failed to empower this department with enforcement powers. Budgetary autonomy. Tinga ekla म्हाका दिसता थिंग घालप म्हणल्यार punishment अशें दिसता कोणा punishment दिवपा जाल्यार थिंग घालय Speaker sir, there is an absence of a high-profile, independent figure as Lokayukta, backed by legislative and administrative support. Rohan Baba power habara Lokayukta चा. तो हिंग आलो ते नोतेन दाखवून दिले. Lokayukta कसले power आहे ते. पण आज Lokayukta ना, हुई कोणा सांगपाचे. Speaker sir, आज म्हाका दिसता in the interest of the public, the government has to act swiftly. आणि एक कॉम्प्रिहेन्सिव्ह विसल ब्लोअर पॉलिसी म्हणटा ती इम्पॉर्टंट स्पीकर सर गोवा विजिलन्स डिपार्टमेंटाचे जरी तर स्टेटस चयल्यार फ्रॉम मार्च 2020 टिल 2025 टोटल कंप्लेंट्स रिसीव्ड 2741 आता मुखेलमंत्रीन आमकां आन्सर दिवपाक जाय हाऊ मेनी हॅव बीन डिस्पोज्ड इन द लास्ट 5 years हाऊ मेनी ऑफ दीस कंप्लेंट्स हॅव बीन डिस्पोज्ड स्पीकर सर म्हाका दिसता की की इश्यूज इज टुडे लॅक ऑफ ऑटोनॉमी anti-corruption branch is often accused of selective action and poor disposal rate. आज speaker sir, जरी तर jails या एजर उलयतना these figures जे पॉट तुगेले budgetary allotment जे पॉट तुवें दिले, there is no indication of any reforms to be brought. आणि एक capacity enhancement जी जावपाक जाय ती केलो दिसना. आणि नो वंडर स्पीकर चयल्यार ह्या jails are the most neglected sector of our criminal justice system. आता गोंयांत 5 prison facilities आहे कोलवाले सब जेल ज्युडिशियल लॉकअप कोलवालेचे पण एक मेन करेक्शनल फॅसिलिटी आसली 624 inmates is the strength but as we look today speaker sir it 680 prisoners सध्या कोलवाले जेलींत आहेत आणि 109% capacity जी आज ही चलता poor segregation of convicts. Now speaker sir all the pod जे prisoner आहे consist of under trial prisoners. मुख्यमंत्री बाप ये important under trial आ prisoner आहे थिंगा चोड many of them are marginalized they are poor तेंकोडे bail घेवपा जायना legal surety ना तुगे figure चयल्यार 2 वर्सां आहले 34% of this under trial prisoners. आता या 1 ते 3 वर्सां जरी तो चयल्यार it is short by 46%. It has increased. So जी सेंट्रल गव्हर्नमेंटाची प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदीची जी स्कीम आहा support to poor prisoner scheme this remains very patchy in jails. It is absolutely not being used. Number 2 ये lockup पडे आहे हे overcrowded आहे. They are poorly maintained. They lack surveillance mechanisms. इतून extortion जाता, brutality जाता. पयर कोणान गांजा उडयले वयचे. वयते थिंगा एकमेकांक झगडटाय. एकलो पयर एकलो पिक्चर काडटालो. सार शूटिंग काडटा सारको चला. सारको ह्या पद्धतीन जेलींत हे आज घडटा. Prisoners today are denied basic hygiene. अरे तू दौड़ बनाका मातशें काबार कोता रोखडो आनी एक तो बेगीन लागलो दौड़ कितें मात तूं तेकाय माता तेगे गाडशे दोळे हे मरे तेक तरी मातशें हें कर मरे तो गाडशे दोळ्याचो काबार कोता स्पीकर सर women inmates padhai today they face institutional neglect, no specialized staff or gender sensitive programs. Prisoners lack adequate counselors, trained guards. हे लीगल बेल सिस्टम पळय म्हाका दिसता आमकां काल कोण तो हो सांगता तो तेलंगणा कित केलें कामो तेलंगणा आयकलो कोण सांगतालो स्पीकर सर जे दिल्लीचो मॉडेल बाब वेंझी वेगस तेंगे मॉडेल फास्ट ट्रॅक बेल सपोर्ट सिस्टम हो मॉडेल पळयलो
डबल इंजिन
सो दिस वाज सक्सेसफुल स्पीकर सर
मॉडेल उलोवन डबल इंजिन जाले म्हणटा दिल्ली
जे एक इम्प्लिमेंट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक ट्रॅकिंग सिस्टम pre-trial custody not to exceed 90 days in Kerala. This legal aid monitoring system is a success. Speaker sir, जे facility annexed म्हाका दिसता ज्या पद्धतीन तुवें करपाक जाय video conferencing call, proper legacy council हे थिंगा lacking जाता. E-prison module तेलंगणाचे e-prison module today introduces a daily digital FIR and remand monitoring system. हे मातशें study करपाक लाय. By integrating prison entry logs, there are more of people जे 50% to गेले जे थिंगा भितर एकलो आहे is they have to go 90 days, they have to go out. It is not happening. एक independent prison oversight board इंतून म्हाका स्पीकर दिसता एक retired high court judge, एक NGO, एक psychologist, एक representation empowered to make this particular inspection. राजस्थान आणि कर्नाटका, राजस्थान तुंगे आहा हिंगा तेमी
कर्नाटकान तुझे आहा
ओपन प्रिझन म्हणून तो कन्सेप्ट केला 200 बेडाचो आणि मिनिमम सेक्युरिटी इनमेट्स विथ वोकेशनल ट्रेनिंग हे मातशे चोय थिंग ते आखे फ्लड जाला
वचून यो पयली एकदा कोलवाळे
हुंय ते
कोलवाळे
2 पुसा गेल मरे हांव
अरे
थिंगाचो इनपुट घेवन येयला जात ते हेच तेंगेलो इनपुट तो
कळटले पळोवन येयला कळटले
स्पीकर सर हे म्हाका दिसता जे एक सेग्रिगेटेड विंग आहा डेडिकेटेड टू वुमन ट्रेन फिमेल काउन्सिलिंग वॉर्ड्स हे थिंगा लॅक ना फर्स्ट टाइम प्रिझनर आहा थिंगा रेप केलो मनशा बारात होते मर्डर केलो मनशा बारात होते ते सारखे सेग्रिगेशन जावपाक जाय स्पीकर सर म्हाका दिसता ह्या जेलीचेर उलयतना आतां स्पीकर सर स्पीकिंग अबाउट PWD जायते उलयले रस्त्याचेर उलयले व्हॉट डिसिजन यू विल टेक म्हाका दिसता पयली सुवातेर तुवें काल म्हणा की रायट्स विल बी रिमूव्ड फ्रॉम ट्रान्सपेरन्सी इज द मेन थिंग दॅट इज रिक्वायर्ड इन द PWD डिपार्टमेंट आनीक गॅरंटी की मुखेलमंत्रीन बजेट स्पीच जाल्यार 5 वर्सां रस्ते फोंडपा दिवपा ना सो 5 वर्सां तुगेले रस्ते उतले काय कितें विथ द क्वॉलिटी कितले कोणी रस्ते पडे हाय क्वॉलिटी ना This speaker sir, and what is shocking is that rights, Mukhel Mantri has charged that rights compromises with the contractor, which is a fact. It is a fact. So which is the next agency? He says some sort of a PSU would come. So which is this thing in need of the hour? Speaker sir, Roste, Magadistai, if you look at the public grievance portal, Bab Nilesh Kabralan je invent is department. Hodde तुवें सांगलें सगळे दिसती पडपा नाय म्हणून ह्या हेजेर 16,000 कंप्लेन जाले
एक खड्डो तुज्या वांगडा
एक वचूं ह्या सायडीन तुजे स्पीकर सर हे PWD एपाचेर 16,000 complaints have been given and primarily related to road conditions. So this is not a routine thing. This how many people have you blacklisted? के 30 जाणां नोटीस जाणे blacklist कितले जाणां एकल्याकूय केलें ना हे तुवें म्हाका दिसता सिरियसली तुवें हितून चोवपाक जाय कित्याक रोड एक्सिडंटाचेर जेन्ना इतले वाडटा आमी कॉलिंग अटेन्शनाचेर उलयले तेजे हांव PWDचेर चड उलयना बट म्हाका दिसता हुंय ना हुंय PWD has a lot of scope of improvement and this scope it's not that you सगळ्यांगे तूं सायन मान दिता फायल बट ते म्हाका दिसता फायल आतां इतले वर्सां जाली पेंडींग आहा केन्ना तूं हे सगळ्यो फायल पेंडींग आहाय त्यो टेंडरा लागून हे डिसिजन मातशें आमकां सांग आतां स्पीकर सर इन्फॉर्मेशन एंड पब्लिसिटीचेर उलयतना जे द फिगर्स सदांच आमी प्रश्न घाल्लो कितले एडवर्टिजमेंटा पयशे तुवें मिडिया एजन्सीक दिले काय सदां आन्सर मेळटा की वॉल्युमनस 5 वर्सां मागलो इनपुट दिल ना हे पुसा 1 वर्सा मागल्यापासून व्हॉल्यूम नस इतले कोटी रुपया कित्याक स्पीकर सर हाऊ इज दिस बजेट यूज्ड फॉर होम एंड फॉर वॉट म्हाका दिसता एक मार्केट शिफ्ट
फाल्यां फोटो हाडूंक जाय तुजो
ना इन द डिपार्टमेंट्स फंक्शनिंग फ्रॉम facilitating citizens information to controlling political messaging. This seems to be the agenda of information and publicity. Speaker sir, my कोणागे phone येता एक tweet card नाला ad मेळपाना उमके मनशागे उमके गायनाका हे कितें चल्लां स्पीकर सर म्हाका दिसता press advertisement paid news social media campaigns are today prioritized in information and publicity over health over education over environment over citizens rights. This is not, this only raises ethical concerns, but also diminishes public trust today in the state's communication machinery. And despite spending massively in this department, there is no RTI dashboard. Number 2, no daily briefing on the government's actions. Number 3, no multilingual accessibility to rural citizens. Government websites today are outdated, broken. Press conferences often lack substance and interconnectivity. And मुख्यमंत्री जेन्ना press कितें इंता जाल्यार तूं एश कोन कोता कितें तरी कंट्रोल जाला एश कोना आर्को जा स्टाइल कितें तर तेमी जालें उमके जाला हे मातशें चेंज कर आन्सर दे मत तेंका स्पीकर सर म्हाका दिसता जे ह्या हितून जोरी तर हे इन्फॉर्मेशन एंड पब्लिसिटीचो जोरी तर हे कारभार चोयल्यार you need to create an open access for the state public communication portal. It has to be open, verified information, press releases, fast checks, and frequently asked questions. Because monthly details of all these government advertisements, why are you all not giving us the information? Why are you not giving what is the amount spent, including vendor names, formats used, Speaker sir, एक capacity building workshop also for local journalists खूप गरजेचे on data journalism, RTI आणि investigative techniques. हे चोयल्यार म्हाका दिसता एक white paper तुवें ह्या हावजा मुखार दवरपाक जाय. आतां लास्ट हेजे उलयतना स्पीकर सर एक्सायजाचेर की ज्या पद्दतीन आज allegations of illegal manufacture of alcohol happening across the state, and there are allegations that hundreds of trucks are moving day in day out. I think Latambadche Bijoli त्या बॉर्डराला वयता आनी उंच्या बॉर्डरान वयतले म्हाका दिसता there has to be strict control. Today जून 17 चो इन्सिडेंट जो जाल्लो ते जून 17 चे इन्सिडेंट जोरी तर चोयल्यार I believe that it is something that is an eye opener. It cannot happen without people being involved. Who are the people being involved? Which inspectors are being involved? Which, if there are politicians being involved? Magadista Mukhyamantri, since it comes under your portfolio, you are accountable for these allegations that the oppositions are basically jenna itle lakani soro आज illegally दूसरे state in वता. Excise inspector are caught. What is the role and what renewed mechanisms do you plan? महाराष्ट्रान चेक पोस्ट बॅन केले म्हणून खबर आहा चेक पोस्ट आता आमचो ट्रान्सपोर्ट मिनिस्टर बॅन कोना बट इट हैज टू बी बॅन्ड एज पर योर जीएसटी यू आर द जीएसपी सो व्हाट न्यू सिस्टम डू यू हैव स्पीकर सर लास्ट आर्ट एंड कल्चराचे उलयतना आज ज्या पद्दतीन तुवें सांगले रवींद्र भवन 70 पेडणे सांकवाळ आनीक आज कला अकॅडमीचे चड उलयना हाल उलयतले कला अकॅडमीचेर जे पयशे मोडले फॉर द रेनोवेशन आता रेनोवेशना नंतर परते हांगकडे पयशे वेदर यू ब्लॅकलिस्टेड दॅट कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर whose fault is it? Technical faults, no proper sound, no lights, art classes, AC blowing on stage. Yes, सगळे जोरी तो चोयल्यार स्पीकर almost 70 to 80 crores of public money is just washed down the drain. Except Ravindra Bhavan Sakdi, तुगे ते सारखे चकाचक आहा. सगळे व्हिडिओ यार आप खबरा लागे बारीकशे दिसता. दुसरे कोडे ते कलाकार ते सुपारी दिवपाक सगळे तुम भोंवताय तुम थोडे ते घेनाय सगळे कोडे भोंवताय दिवपाक अरे ते कलाकार तेमची कला दाखोवपाक हे तुम्ही हुई ना हुई म्हाका दिसता तेजेर अन्याय केलेलो आहा Rajiv Ravindra Bhavan Madgaon, Bab Digambar Kamat ulayil te bashi. Auditorium is under repairs, but performing art classes, tinga jaupak jay. Board is reluctant to even think and consider about it. But the whole idea was having classes over there. Why is this classes not being taken place? Ravindra Bhavan Kankon, te speaker na, te je ulay na, but ye training sessions for performing arts in Ravindra Bhavan Margaon, especially to cater the children of Salset, खूप गरजेचे. आता तुवें underutilization of budget तुगेले जालेले आसा speaker sir. When I say underutilization of the budget, 23-24 तुगेला estimate आलो 285 crores, actual expenditure तुगे जालो 164 crores, which in other words is just 57%. For the year 24-25 budget आलो 333 crores, estimate revised estimate केलो तुगेला 275. So why is this department unable to utilize its own funds? What is the reason, Speaker sir? Speaker sir, म्हाका दिसता आर्ट एंड कल्चराच्या ESG आणि लास्ट फिल्म डेव्हलपमेंटाचे उलयता. हेजेर Speaker sir, Entertainment Society of Goa today is an event entertainment agency. Because I do not think that it has done anything or is doing anything substantial for the film development in Goa. Now film development in Goa, ESG has only established Goa as an international film festival. There is none. IFFI is organized by ESG in collaboration with NFDC, Ministry of Information, IFFI, the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, when we examine actual selection of films, today under the festival's official sections, because Goa's presence is almost non-existent. Under the dazzling lights of IFFI, decor lies a troubling truth. What is the truth? That there has been no Konkani feature film selected in the Indian panorama since 2017. This is the truth. Speaker sir, as for the much publicized Goa section of IFFI, it is nothing but little more than a PR exercise. Why it is a PR exercise? This section is unofficial. It is not official. Number two, films just showcase they here do not even receive a participation certificate. They don't receive participation certificate also. Number three, Film Finance Scheme 2016 is another disaster. Why I say it's a disaster? It resembles a patient on permanent life support. Occasionally it is revived once. The ventilator is 100% gata hai, main slow dehoit hai. But my ventilator life support badhoit hai. This is what is happening. You are putting that particular scheme, you are putting them back to sleep. Because we need to be honest about ESG. It is primary job seems to be entertainment and event management. It does not appear to be film development. खास करून film development आजे I propose कि एक Goa Film Development Corporation to aid, because to assist, to protect and organize and to promote your cultural activities. Because Goros has to finance the production, distribution and exhibition of films. Because जे soft loan आहे, ये provide करपाक to establish a local film producer in the state of Goa for films in Konkani. हे खूप गरजेचे. To undertake and implement schemes related to development of film culture. This board has to happen. Speaker sir, एक state-of-the-art theatre in Ravindra Bhavans and government cultural centers to enhance the theatrical experience of Konkani feature film. आमकां दिसता मंत्री नेजेर आमकां जबाब दिचो उदकाचें नांव उलयना, उदका तुगे लक्ष कितें आहा? बाब सुदीन बाब हिंगा ना तो 24/7 मुटालो, निलेश बाब 8 hour मुटालो, तुवें गेलो तो 4 hour मुळे आतां कितले और उदो लोकांक मेळटलें? हे टँकरात चला. इतले म्हणून स्पीकर सर, थँक्यू.